I'm Zack Floyd from Gemeco Marine, and a lot of customers know us for Airmar transducers, Airmar Smart Boat, ActiSense, C-Zone, and Maritron equipment. But in addition to that, we also carry a lot of tools that make your job very easy. And a few of those are on display right now. So we have everything from chemical soldering irons that use butane. We have ratcheting crimpers for coax connections that make installation so much faster and easier. We have a label printer right before us, and it will give you a lot of different types of labels, whether they be slip-on flag tags. It's very versatile. And we also have the peak diagnostic meter. So the peak diagnostic meter, we have two versions on display: the full size, which gives you a lot of capabilities, looking at network voltage, as well as an onboard oscilloscope, as well as a mini version, the Peak Diagnostic Mini, which will give you overall network health, as well as voltage and a resistance check. But in addition to these tools, we carry so much more. Check out our website, give us a call, send us an email. Our website is at the bottom of the page, and as always, we're glad to help.